Good evening, students. Now, today's project is to find out whether a person is adult or minor. When we start working with this program, it's a new project. We'll click on standard exe. This is the form where we are going to make our interface. Label works. A person is adult, adult or minor. We'll take one label box, one text box, one command button. Your age. Check, and text box we delete it. Go to font, bold 18. Okay. So here we will enter the age and then we'll check it. Double click. Okay. Define a variable. To define a variable, dim a as integer. A is equal to text 1 dot text. Now, dear students, this is a conditional programming. So if a is less than and equal to 17, or we can change it like this: if a is greater than and equal to 18, then message box msg box round bracket inverted commas you are a adult. Okay, enter. Else msg box you are minor, round bracket close, and if let's see the program. Age is equal to 18. Check, you are adult. Age is equal to 17. Check, you are minor. Let me increase the font size so it can be visible to you. Now I'm going to run it again. It's 18. Check, you are adult. Okay, why is it so? Okay, why is it so? Because we have given a condition over here. If a is greater than equal to 18, means the value of a is equal to or greater than 18, then it will display a message, you are adult. Else it will print a message, you are minor. So let's see it once again. So if you are 16, check, you are minor. If you are of 26, check, you are adult. So students, I hope you must understand this program. This is the interface of this program, and this is the coding. Thank you. I hope you will do best in your practical. Do good and achieve good marks. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.